Hello guys, hello YouTube guys, mkoaje? How have you been? I hope you have enjoyed our previous videos. Today I have another pair with us kwa fridge. Kama kawaida, sisi ni Just Save Home Appliances, tuko hapa Ruiru Kiunguru. You can see that we have all that you need. Tuko na fridges, tuko na washing machines, tuko na cookers, all sizes, all companies, all prices. Tuko na dispensers on the other side, TV sets, microwave ovens, kuna hoofers pale juu. We also have a shop on the other side. Kuna mattresses, we have kitchen cutlery on the other end, carpets. We have everything that you need kutoka pale kitchen, bedroom, dining, sitting room, hata pale nje. If you need something kuweka pale nje, talk to us and we will reach you. We also deliver our things countrywide, so wherever you are tutakuletea mahali huko. You do not have to worry. We also have some few videos to enlighten you, ndio pia ukuwe na the right information to choose the right equipment that you need, the right electronic, the right appliance that you need for the right need, for the right space, and for the right purpose, na pia mfuko pia for the right price. So today nikikuwa na kitu awesome lazima niwalete. Na trust me, today we have one of our best and special videos. We have one of the best mini fridges that we can get in the market right now. This is a mini fridge, vile unaona. Ni vile mimi ni mrefu pia tunaweza shuka kidogo tuchukue the mean height. So these are mini fridges. So hapa naongelea local farmer all the way to even you rich person mwenye unatafuta ka pale bedroom, you know. Ka fridge kidogo ya pale bedroom, this one is for you. Uko pale campus, uko na familia yako pia ndogo kiasi, unataka some fridge ya kuweka vitu zako. Uko pale in your room unataka some mini fridge. This one is the right one for you. Trust me, I have the best options that you can get in the market right now. We have so many companies, but trust me, zenye nimekuletea hapa, they are the best in the market. Number one, we have Hisense, goes without saying. Hisense is one of the best companies that we know. And there's one upcoming company that I can really recommend. Hii 100% inakuja na ubaya. Hii vitu zote zinakuja na Roch. Before you give it a blind eye, please check it out. Usiseme Roch hatuijui. Don't just despise it and throw it under the bus. This is one of the best, actually one of the best companies, upcoming companies that we have. Na ukiona nikilinganisha na Hisense, then trust me, it has some qualities that hata Hisense haina. It is that good. It is that threatening in the market right now. So we dive into it. Let's see what's popping. So number one, more stars, more savings. That's how we start. Na as you can see, more stars, more savings. Tuko 1 star. So inamaanisha 1 star inamaanisha this one is the best for you. It's more savings for you. Energy conserving guide. Number one, the energy consumption kilowatts per year. Hapa kwa Hisense tuko na 256. So this is one of the most relative energy consumption that you can have for a mini fridge actually. So with 256, it's a really recommendable. It's a really recommendable figure. Hii iko sawa. Then on the other end, Roch iko na 240. So it's even a better choice. So actually you can see a Roch has a better consumption than Hisense. So it's a tick for the Roch. Number two, we go for the liters. Hii Hisense, it's actually 91 liters. Hisense. So for mini fridge, that's a recommendable figure. A mini fridge of 91 liters, guys, it should be a priority for you. On the other hand, this one here, RFR 110dB, it's 92 liters. So again, Roch, it's even a liter above Hisense. So a tick for the Roch. So far unaona Roch inakuja vibaya sana juu. One, energy consumption yake it's super economical, and again the liters it's kind of way up with a liter, way up. And then the rating here is 100 watts, the rating here is 100 watts, so both are really use relatively very low energy, though hiyo tumeona, so when we zoom out kidogo unaona it's a double door. So any mini fridge that is double door, that's a priority for you, that's a plus for you. Actually unafaa kuwa ushanunua hizi. Double door inamaanisha freezer at its own door and the part of the fridge iko na its own door. That's a double door, 2 doors. So manzi, a mini fridge with two doors, that's a plus. Without even any further explanation, that's even a plus. When you need to get something from the freezer, it's independently. When you get something from the fridge, it's also independent. So you good. Like this is one of the best, as I told you earlier, one of the best. So tuingie ndani, a very spacious freezer on our space, 4 liters. Hey, kubwa sana. Here you can store even up to 10 kgs of nyama. Hapo unaweza weka mbuzi mzima hapa. So very spacious freezer and very efficient freezer. On the other end, Roch is also double door and a very spacious freezer. Now, Roch wanakuja na ka ice maker. So here you can create some ice pops pale nyumbani ama some ice makes ukitaka for your beverages or something. Here you go. Tukienda hapa chini kwa freeze part, it's very spacious. You can see it's a two shelf plus the place unaweza weka your hapa, you can store vitu mingi hapa, vitunguu, carrots, nini. There you go. On the other side ukiangalia hapa, it's very spacious. Angalia hii space yote, just check that space, it's very spacious. They have really maximized the space, really. So Hisense wako sawa, so unaona, very spacious. Hii utasema ati Del Monte yako itatoshea hapa, hautasema ati soda yako ile ya 2 liter iwezi toshea hapa, itatoshea. So this is a fridge. On the other hand, very too spacious. Actually hii hata 2 liter yako inaingia by side, unaona, so tall, there is that space. 2 liter yako hapa inaweza ingia. Very spacious again. You can see 2 shelf pale chini pia, unaweza weka your ingredients pale za mboga pale chini. There goes your bin. Hii Roch inakuja na ka egg, aka ni sana ni ka egg tray of 6 eggs. So you see Roch wamejaribu, at least wako na egg tray na pia wako na ice maker. So told you Roch inakuja na maubaya, plus Roch inakuja na, you can even lock your fridge kama unataka your privacy in there. Sana sana if you want it for the bedroom na unataka to safeguard your beverages pale, so unaweza acha your privacy up to date. So unaona aje? So far so good. Bona Roch vile imekuja, actually so far Roch is way inaka, yes it is a thing. Na pia unaona washakupea assurance ya warranty hapo ya 1 year, though hii pia iko na warranty. Let's check it here. Here we have the manual. Oh yeah. Actually kuna, sorry for that. So here is your warranty. Here's your warranty pia. So it also has a warranty of 1 year. Actually hii yake ni ya 2 years. It's 24 plus 1. Unaona? It's 24 plus 1 month warranty. So ya Hisense in East Africa wametupea 24 plus 1. That's 2 years and a month. Yeah, hakuna kitu tunapeanaga bila warranty. That goes without saying. Yeah. You need default setting. You're just safe home appliances. So far. So naona vile Roch imekimbiza Hisense. Actually Hisense naweza sema kitu tu ya Hisense iko mbele ya Roch sahi actually other si liters. Ni warranty tu wako na 2 years warranty. So Roch has really carried our day today. So I know you're asking this question. I'm also asking these questions inside my head. So let's get into it. Price. What are the prices? Roch, Hisense, it's stabilized kwa market, so we expect it to be a little bit more high. So kawaida yake Hisense 25,000 only. Yani for just a 25,000 shillings, you get yourself a 2-door 91 liters fridge. What are you waiting for? Hebu fika pale M-Pesa. 25,000, you have a mini fridge 91 liters. Hai, hebu kimbia. That's a 1 in a million offer. Hiyo sijui utapata wapi pengine. By the way, on a very serious note. Then when it comes to Roch, it's a 92 liter. Super economical on energy consumption. For just 21,000 shillings. What? 21,000 shillings only. Imagine. You get yourself a Roch, 92 liters, 240 energy consumption, 2-door. Guys, ebu tuingie pale M-Pesa. Let's do that thing. You order, chukua namba yetu pale WhatsApp, ingia WhatsApp, DM us, just say hi. There's always a person there to answer you. He will take you through, or she will take you through everything that you need. It will be explained to you, even the deliveries and all the details that we require from you. And within no time, this fridge will be... We deliver countrywide. Yes, Turkana, naongelea huko. Yeah, uko Mandera, yes, I'm talking to you. Malindi, Kilifi, yes, I am talking to you. I'm saying Samburu na watu wa huko chini Masailand. Yes, I'm talking to you. We deliver countrywide. So, situingi ikibamba sana kama kawaida, like, subscribe. Finya your bell button that every other video that we have, please, usikoniwe Nairobi na tuko hapa na just save iko hapa. Usifanye a bad choice. Unajua when it comes to electronics, it is always costly to make a mistake. Always. Hapa kunanga ati it was a mistake we can It is always costly to make a... So, don't be confused on how you can get the know-how about these things, appliances, and just save is here for you. So you hit that bell button, that bell notification, na tutakuwa hapo. You'll get all our videos. Na uta get to know more even as we bring new and super things in your market today. So guys, tafadhali hebu tu comment pale, tuongee, talk to us. Kama kuna kitu nimeacha pia tuongeleshe pale kwa comment section. If there is something you need clarity on, speak to us. We are here to answer you. And guys, let's buy this. Hizi vitu ziende bana. Tusukume hizi vitu. Talk to us.